Hi, God. Thanks for the shine. Hello, people. I'm one of the people. Let's hang out. But before we go, we got to do what we got to do. It's morning time, and we're still sipping on coffee, man. So we're going to take a sip, and then we're going to hop off onto this bit, and we're going to make this one quick, man. We got a new game that we're trying to play. Hold on. Let me take a sip. All right, so these are going for time, man. So we're just gonna read this one straight through, and then we're gonna be done, okay? So check this out. It says lawman game, okay? Lawman game. It says fun fact. I am a man. I am one of the people. I serve Christ, okay? That's what I do, okay? And then it says, I am not a lawyer. Fact, I am not a lawyer, right? I just know how to read what is written, okay? That's all I do. I just read what is written, man, and I just show it, okay? That's what's up, okay? So check this out right here. You're going to see on the screen where it's going to say legal advice, okay? These are what lawyers talk about right here. We're just going to read this, okay? It says legal advice is the giving of a professional or formal opinion regarding the substance or procedure of the law in relation to a particular factual situation. I don't do any of that. I just read what is written. That's all I do, okay? So that's what I'm saying. I don't give legal advice, all right? Let's keep it going. The provision of legal advice will often involve analyzing, that means looking at, analyzing a set of facts and advising a person. A person is not a man, a person is not a woman, a person is not a people, a person is a tool that the people create, okay? Remember that, all right? Let's go back. It says advising a person to take a specific course of action based on the applicable law, okay? That's what legal advice is. Sounds easy to me. All right, let's keep it going. It says legal advice is ordinarily provided in exchange for financial or other tangible compensation. Okay, that's what they do in the commercial realm. All right, advice given without remuneration, that's a hard one to say, is normally referred to as being pro bono publico, in the public good, okay? Or simply pro bono, okay? So we're just always throwing out the words for people to see out in the public. That's just what we do, okay? We do it because we love our neighbors, all right? Check this out. In the common law system, it is usually received from a solicitor, barrister, or lawyer, okay? In civil law systems, it is given by advocates, lawyers, or other professionals, such as tax experts, professional advisors, etc., etc. Okay, so that's what legal advice is, man. So we don't do that. We just read the words as written. All right, let's keep it going. We're trying to make this one quick. Okay, here we go. We got that lawman game. It says remember the order. We're going to show you the order right now, okay? It's going to say civil code, okay? We're always showing you the code, man. This says definition and sources of law. Okay, so this is what's in California right now. And then when you read 22, it says law is a solemn expression of the will of the supreme power of the state. Who is the supreme power of the state under God? The people, okay? And that's what the people have to remember and have to realize and have to instruct, okay? That's why we're showing you guys the words right now, okay? So check out 22.1. It says the will of the supreme power is expressed, by A, Alpha, the Constitution, and in B, Bravo, the statutes. Okay, so look at the order. Remember the order. The statutes, the codes are underneath the Constitution, okay? Which means they're subject to the Constitution, okay? And who creates the constitutions? We the people. Remember that, and you're going to be free, okay? All right, let's keep it going. 22.2. Check this out. It says the common law of England. Remember that, okay? So far as it is not repugnant to or inconsistent with the Constitution of the United States or the Constitution or laws of the state, is the rule of decision in all courts of the state. So remember, the common law, that's the rule. as written. Okay, remember that. So don't get tricked and don't get duped by statutory creatures trying to show you codes and statutes, man. We don't like that, man. We don't like when the people are getting tricked because they're having the knowledge hidden from them. All right, so check this out right here. It says lawman game. That's what's up. It says question. Why do attorneys try to lord over the people's business? This is a question that we want to know because all we see is the attorneys going on the screen and going blah 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 code, blah 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 blah, statute, blah, 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 process and procedure. They never show the knowledge, but they do talk about the things that they've been taught in their statutory realms. We don't like that, okay? So that's why we're showing you the law right now, okay? So check this out. This is called that Business and Profession Code. That's that BPC, which falls under the jurisdiction of the Constitution. Remember this, okay? And then when you scroll all the way down to 6001, right, you're going to see the State Bar of California is a public corporation. Period. The end. What does that mean? That means you're subject to we the people. That means that we the people are your boss. Okay, remember that, all right? So I don't have to be a lawyer to be able to read what is written, to be able to show you guys what's up. I'm trying to show you guys some knowledge, okay? This is not legal advice because I'm not a professional, okay? I'm just a simple man. I'm one of the people, man. That's what's up, okay? So we're done with that bit. Let's keep it going. So much fun. All right, here we go. We got that lawman game. It says, remember the order. Also, okay, I always have to do this because I always forget, right? Because I'm trying to build the people. It says, if you wish to be one of the people in the private realm, because we move you from the public realm into the private realm and we talk about some wonderful things, right? It says, then contact us. The email is in the description, okay? So if you want to be one of the people and you want to come hang out with us and you want to talk about some wonderful things and we can show you how to be boss, then come hang out with us, email us, and then we're going to talk, okay? Thanks for listening. Done, simple love. But we're going to read what we wrote, okay? It says, trust creator, the people. Remember that, okay? Trustee, public servants. That's the order. We're always trying to show you the order. The creator of the trust is we the people, and then the trustees are the public servants. Remember that. A lawyer falls under that jurisdiction, an attorney falls under that jurisdiction, and we're going to show you some more stuff, okay? It says California Constitution, comma, Article III for 3, Section 3, text of Section 3. Check out the highlight. It says the powers of state government are legislative, comma, executive, comma, and judicial, period, okay? Persons, remember what a person is. A person's not a man. A person's not a woman. A person's not a people. A person is a tool that the people create to speak with, okay? Persons charged with the exercise of one power may not exercise either of the others, except as permitted by this Constitution. Remember, the game rules are in the Constitution, as written, okay? Remember that. Now check out these words. Legislator, lawgiver. That's what they do. They're the maker of laws, right? Now check out the executive. The executive execute. Execute is, to follow. Remember that. You got to follow the law. Now check out the judicial. The judicial is just. Just is, when you see the DEIK, which means to show. Okay, so that's why we broke it all the way down at the very bottom where you say lawmaker, legislator, trustee. Okay, remember that, right? To follow is the executor, trustee. Okay, remember that, okay? And then you have law to show is the judge, they're a trustee. So we're done with that bit, man. So just know that if you fall under the jurisdiction of the Constitution, that means you're a servant of we the people. Remember that. And if the people present themselves to you and then they try to instruct you and they try to show you the law, it would behoove you if you listen, right? It would. Because if you don't listen, we're going to get you for deprivation of rights under the color of law because you're tricking the people, because you're not showing the people the knowledge, right? So that's why we always go so hard at the lawyers now, and then the so-called attorneys, because we've been seeing that they've been tricking the people. We're also going to start going hard at the judges right now, too, because we see that they're tricking the people, too, and then we're also going to start going hard at, the so-called media people, the so-called press, because they're not showing the people, any of this information, right? So that's just what we're going to do now, man. And we're just going to show you guys knowledge. That's it. As a man, as one of the people, as a servant of Christ, that's all we're going to do. We're just going to show you. I'm not professional. I'm not a professional, right? I am not giving you legal advice or anything like that. I'm just showing you what's written, man, by God with love, okay? So we're done. We're going to put this together. We're going to upload it. We're going to see how it flows. I'll talk to you guys in the future. Remember, nobody's having more fun than us. Bye.
Maria is a troublemaker.
Let's put some gravy on it.